Absolute Strength Indicator. What you should know: the Absolute Strength Indicator is an MT4 based indicator that gives a clear picture of the absolute strength of the price action. This brilliant indicator can be deployed for day trading or intraday trading using any forex trading strategy. The Absolute Strength Indicator is easy to spot when included in a chart, as it works as a histogram. Using this indicator, traders can get an additional confirmation for when to enter or exit a trade. What's unique about it is that it helps determine the absolute strength of the currency or asset class chart it is applied to. Once applied to a chart, the Absolute Strength Indicator is clearly visible on the chart, as it combines both a histogram and a moving average line to provide traders with all the information they need to enter or exit a trade. Traders use the Absolute Strength Indicator as a way to determine the strength of the sessions to which it is applied. The indicator automatically shifts and changes depending on the time frame to which it is being applied. In a way, the Absolute Strength Indicator might resemble other histograms such as the Awesome Oscillator or the MACD as well. But the main difference is that the Absolute Strength Indicator looks to the price action rather than other indicators. Buy and sell signals are generated based on the strength of the instrument and the way it is, relative to the average that is plotted on the chart. Therefore, the Absolute Strength Indicator can sometimes be used as a way to trade the markets. However, despite the fact that the indicator might seem like a lucrative way to trade the markets, it is always essential that you also utilize other trading indicators or technical strategies in order to build a trading strategy. Relying solely on the Absolute Strength Indicator can lead to potential losses while trading. So, if you want to experiment with the Absolute Strength Indicator, it is recommended that you first use this on a demo trading account before applying this to the real markets. How does the Absolute Strength Histogram Indicator work? The Absolute Strength Histogram Indicator is a custom indicator. You can download the indicator from this article and then install it into the MT4's indicator folder. Restart your MT4 trading platform and refresh the indicators to activate it. Once you see the histogram indicator in your terminal, you can drag and drop the indicator onto the chart of your choice. Absolute Strength Histogram. Work principle, advantages, disadvantages, trading signals. Absolute Strength Histogram is a technical tool that aims at identifying the current trend and filtering the signals of the main indicator. It pretty well performs with trend lines. It is not included in the standard toolkit of the MT4, but it can be downloaded for free from the internet, or via the link given below in the article. The indicator locates under the working price chart. It looks like a histogram with green and red bars. The bars represent the values of two moving averages, the slow MA and the fast MA. The distance between the MAs and the indicator bottom makes up columns. The formula also includes the indicators of the RSI and a stochastic oscillator. Based on the location of the moving averages relative to each other, the histogram bars change their color. Green means a growing trend, red, a falling one. The change of the bar's color may mean the trend reversal, which is to be a signal to enter a trade in a new trend. The indicator template for the MT4 can be downloaded for free via this link. If you do not know how to install the template on the platform, or Absolute Strength Histogram doesn't work after the installation, write in the comments. Let us try to solve the problem together. Basically, the developers did not use any new mathematical algorithms to create this indicator. Therefore, it is not very popular among technical analysts, and it is unjust. Advantages of the Absolute Strength Histogram Indicator: convenient visual display, a small number of settings, relatively good performance. However, the indicator has a common flaw: it often lags behind the price movement. Therefore, the recommended time frame is M15-M30, where time lags do not have such a strong influence on anticipating the future price move. The problem can also be solved by the joint use of the Absolute Strength Histogram with price predicting indicators or oscillators. It is not a trend indicator or an oscillator. The Absolute Strength Histogram is a kind of supplementary tool. So, it is not used as the main tool. It is rather used to confirm signals delivered by other indicators to supplement other tools. Absolute Strength Histogram shows not only who has control over the market but also their magnitude of strength and provides an accurate indication of the